Hello, this is Toya with GOBLACKink.com. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. If you're like me, you really enjoy the ability to live stream using third-party applications. My favorite one is StreamYard. I like it because it works out of the box. It's very simple to use, it's stable, and you can do some really fun, creative things with your live streams that you can't do when you just go live on some of these platforms. Also, it's fun to help others with their live streams. So, I wanted to show you quickly how to remove yourself from the live stream if you are working with a client or working with someone else, helping them with theirs. So, in the beginning, when you first come on, and this is me, Toya Glenn. When you come on, you want to be able to help the guest or the host to ensure that their lighting is good, make sure that they have great sound quality as best as they can. And then when it's time for the show, you want to go ahead and bow out gracefully, right? And let the host and the guest, let them banter. So it's very easy to do that. If you want to get out of the way and do all of the production work from the background, you simply come here to your profile and you remove yourself. Easy, right? Awesome. So now the other guests, they're on and you are not seen by anybody who is watching the broadcast, or actually anybody that's currently in the studio as well. And so from the background, I can do what I need to do. I can go ahead and start the intro if I want to. Boom. Right? And then I remove the intro. Everybody's still talking as they're talking. I'm doing what I need to do. I am adding tickers. I'm adding other banners. As they talk, I'm able to change out the tickers and the banners, right? And while they're talking, they may need me to add another banner. Maybe a new subject comes up. StreamYard is great. Okay. And I can add that banner, right? During the show. So I'm able to just do all the things that's necessary during the show. I can watch for the comments and I can add comments in there while the show is going on. If someone else comes into the studio, I'm able to private message them and give them a message letting them know that they will be coming on soon. That type of thing. So it's fairly easy to be able to support a client or support someone with their live stream from the back utilizing StreamYard. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, but this should be able to help you. And also, sometimes it's necessary during the live stream that if there's a problem going on, a technical issue, they may say, hey, Madam Producer, that's what they call me. Madam Producer, something's going on. Can you help us out? So easily, I'll just pop right on. Yes, what do you need? And then I can pop right back off after I fix the issue. So I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.